Mamahaw kita. Kayo nga man nga uyat kay lula mo. Hana? Si Duming bala kaluluoy, dako to pilas ya.
Duming nga.
Domingo eh. Si Duming. Ya ido ta eh. Dako to ya pilas ya, higing kagat sa ni ano. Ni sino gani ng ano? Ang ido kanday Kuya Dan? Ang isog-isog na bala? Ito gaw.
Sabang eh, sabang.
Sige, wala. Mataon kami ni nanay. Ako atong ano, okay? Ang tinudo ka kutsara. Mataon kami ni nanay. Bago na kami, mga tunga na sa oras, ay mga 1 hour na gidman nga, nag-inom kami ka. Kapi, kay nanay gatis, kay Quaker Oat. Nandang na, pinanandang mo pa. Para lang sa'yo, ang giling-giling ko. Para lang sa'yo, ang giling-giling ko. Para lang sa'yo, ang giling-giling ko. Makaun ko. Oo, gani oh. May ato pa to sa nga ano gani ni? Lamayo.
Kaya masukan.
Yan mo lang yun. Dala mo bala mo masukad ka. Wala ka nagdala sa dako. Nay na. Wala naglakomplito. Uy, sinugba. Namit li sa imo na yung sinugba. 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 Plus prito. Siyempre, kaldero ang amon na ginatian ay gatis ang kamisa. Sukad pa ang akong bata na damulo.
Hi, how you doing? Morning.
Ubuson tani nga duha ha. Kinalan tunga imo tunga manakon. Ha? Kay may inong kakabulong mo. Wala pa tagay kakao, nagtigab ka na. Wala pa sabaw, subong. Okay lang kay namin man ang sudan. Ang importante may isda. Oo, ay mga tubig. Mahinaw ka? Hinawan da. Kalangga. Kaya lang. Ha? Hinawan? May 3 viewers ka na. Hi, Anay. Hi. Thank you for watching. Hambala keep on watching. Aga Dore, kamusta? Budlay magkunik sa ano kay wala kami amon di signal sa wifi, wala ko signal, nagakadto pa ko sa punta. Ay maayo ari si Kenneth. May data siya. Nagtitiring lang ko sa data niya. Muna naka-live ako subong. Sino? Sino? Si Tutong. Wala ka sa panawa. Inananda mo ka, inom ka, kaon. Nangilaw ka pa? Hindi na ah. Pinahungit naman ikaw. Hindi na hungang naman ako ba? Hindi na hungit naman ka. Ano kay hamba ka, doktor? Tuduan niya kaon, no?
This guy just enjoys a carefree life, eating delicious food every day and taking baths with hot baths. And he does it without even knowing where he is. Instantly realizes he royally screwed up.
Kaon damo. Okay na nagulong saging, no?
Psychedelia.
Luto na lang gulalo sa likod mo.
Be destroyed by
Karon lang.
great sins. And he ended up in the body of the third son.
Inananda mo kaon. Ano na alarm? Yung si Doming to kaluluoy. Dapat damot to iya nga nga pilas.
Noble family's prosper. His elder brothers are scumbags
Kaya
the world has
tumbal
never
pa?
seen. And this whole family
Wala ka
is
nagpabakal?
destined to be destroyed first. Lying on the bed,
Ano may tutulog?
Ano ang chili sauce na dadala ko ah?
he sees nothing good in living comfortably only to die in 10 years. He leaps.
Uy, talaga kadamdo ka chili
Situation
sauce.
worse than having 6 months of unpaid wages. Stuck in a fantasy world as a character with
Oo.
no special perks, our boy feels useless until an idea finally strikes him. Since he knows what is going to happen in the
Hi,
future,
Bagneng! Ay, Totong. Aras Totong ulan to.
eliminate the main causes
Aras
behind
Totong,
the
hi.
destruction. Aelon decides to reform the
Hi.
5 great sins for the sake
Hi.
of his peaceful mobile life. At present, these sins are
Kaon
just
ta natin.
children. 2 months later,
Makaon
our
kita.
protagonist
Mahal
has
kita.
successfully rescued some orphans from the
Amon nga sudan.
He accomplished this with the help of Evan, a
Oo,
knight he
tunda
hired
na na.
recently. Evan
Amon nga
reports that he has left
sudan.
the management of the orphanage in the hands of a girl named Utia. Our hero
Sinog ba?
realizing he made the
Kag,
right choice and
aragay ah.
the job.
Pili rito. Wala kami sabaw subong.
However, Alon struggles to show facial expressions.
Pero namit ang sinog ba, no?
Wondering if what he just
Ina na
heard was
mga tulon mo na
Our
ang
boy notes to himself that he is simply unable to
ang
move his face
imo nga
muscles. He reflects that Evan is a rare gem in the world of psychedelia
Makan mo.
because he remained honest and loyal despite the betrayals around him, which is why our
Then,
protagonist hired him as soon as he found him.
pwede man kung gusto mo. Bayara da ang sa garapon bala. Ang may picture bala nga
Evan remarks that the girl
nga
is
bayi
free.
kag laki.
With his experience as a mercenary, the knight can tell
Mayong
Utia
aga
is
ko
no
nuhan
ordinary
balitutong.
child. She seems quite strong.
Hamahaw
He
ta
cannot
natin.
understand why she simply
Mahaw
accepted being
pa.
locked up.
Dili daw
He is
ito
curious
mga
why our
Mahaw.
friend bring her back to the state. Alon agrees with the sentiment, but internally he thinks it might look like he is neglecting her instead of
May
utilizing
kanon
her
pa?
potential. In reality, it is part of his plan to keep her in the orphanage. Utia Bloodia is a member of
Ako
the
matimo,
bloodline that
ako
uses
sa ako.
power through a contract with an indescribable
Nan.
She is destined to become the sin of wrath,
Wala ko dila ubutang ka lang sa gamay.
eventually causing hundreds of thousands of deaths as a
Ato ti ang ato ti
Alan believes that if she grows up peacefully, she will not turn out that way.
laway ka lang daan eh.
Simply stating that it is not the right time to bring her in. This leaves Evan speechless. Our hero further adds that the matter must not be leaked. He
Masakit
hands
not?
over a handwritten
Wala
letter
ka sabaw,
for
no?
Evan to deliver to Utia. Alan wrote this letter down, knowing she has gone through the
Tapos
trauma
sa kainom.
of temptation.
Naginom na sa kagatas
After
kag
Evan leaves the
Quaker
estate,
Oats.
Our protagonist reflects on the letter. While it appeared to be for comfort, he actually wrote an incantation he heard in the game.
Kisubong pamahaw naman kanon.
According to the Archbishop, this can be
Dila lang
used
mo
to
kay ka
befriend the
na sa
blood
kanya.
clan. Our boy used this incantation in the game to try to calm down wrath, but it failed because it was too late for her, ultimately costing him his life. Now our hero thinks that it might not
Ari
be
to
too
bigo
late.
inom ka
He feels relaxed after removing one of the 5 destruction flags, although he finds it funny that a single sentence can make one friend with a monster. He believes the thoughts of those in the realm of fanaticism are
Eh,
unpredictable.
hambal ni Bagling yung kaong kadamo
Utia has
oh.
read the letter, and the magic power she emits is over.
Kakaon sa
She
kay
figures out that
ginahungit
the
sa
person who wrote to her is Aelon.
matambok
Pisses
na
her
nisa.
off that he didn't call her to his side. She emits a
Nay, no?
deadly aura and
Tambo ka na, no?
surprisingly uses visualization magic power, a feat usually reserved for those at the master level.
Okay, okay sa? Okay?
It wasn't the right time to meet yet,
Nay?
and that
Wait,
excuse strangely seems
Ha?
to work.
Naka.
Utia
Ah.
calms down while
Butang
interpreting
mo sa ano eh.
considering it a promise that
Ang
only
mantika
the
niya.
master, meaning Aelon, would understand.
Butang mo sinyo.
Utia is the sin of wrath and the daughter of the blood clan, the Utia Bloody Queen. Meanwhile,
Hindi maganda
back
sa
with
salo
Aelon,
kakahang.
he thinks he has managed to stretch his luxurious lifespan a bit further. He
Sa
even
Domingo,
managed to break
lasong
new
simana,
records cheering
Sunday.
Now,
Hi,
our protagonist
Nisa.
is fully encouraged to begin work on his next
Kaya
novel.
na.
A cascade of books falls on a
Pumahaw.
while he is busy
Nisa,
searching for a
pumahaw.
clue regarding the location of the third boss. Right then, Evan appears.
Sa 16 ako balik neng. Kanto ka de.
Our protagonist
Sa Domingo birthday ni nanay.
the knight treated the child gently. Evan nods, but before he
Magputa regalo ko na to. Luning mo,
study
regalo
door is
ko.
destroyed.
Si
The
Bagning.
intruder is not
Ay, nauya sa.
Antonio Palladio. He mocks our boy for reading books despite being illiterate, but Alon remains quiet about Tonio's insults.
Sa 16
Our hero
ah.
is so annoyed by this behavior.
16
he
akong
wonders
balik.
how the original Alon managed to live like this. While he would like to fight back, he chooses to kneel and take his leave instead. Tonio is immensely pleased by this submissive behavior,
Duwal pa,
but
ah.
in that very moment, he is
Tindis
nearly
pa.
struck by a dagger. The one who threw it is Alon's first brother, Leo Palladio. Now, both of the brothers glare at each other with
Sino
killing
kabuo nga
intent,
tubig?
mocking one another's stench. In the game, the Palladio family members were merely minor characters who disappeared quickly, yet they possessed overwhelming power. Therefore, Alon decides not to get involved with his brothers as they fight over the position of family head. One is an underworld boss known as the
Yeah,
Prostitution Gang,
wala
and
na
the
gali.
other is a drug lord running a massive cartel.
Tapos wala ko
As the two
kasiksik
brothers
sang
begin
ano,
fighting in the study,
sang
Alon and Evan
yung
flee
mga
the
isda.
room. Our boy is determined to live a happy life as a
Tagaan ko
supposedly
di.
adult and illegitimate son. They eventually return to Alon's room, where Evan reports that the second child does not
Tagaan
seem
ko gani.
ordinary either. Seeing how dumb our protagonist acts, Evan is confused and wonders how someone like Alon could
Parang anong gali?
human markets and illegal slave trades to rescue children.
Ba?
Looks like someone who cannot even take care of himself. He
Pamasaw
finds
lang.
Alon
No,
odd for
isda.
sending his second
Mo
child.
binang ginamaka doktor si mo
Our
maganda
hero
ang
thinks to
pagid.
himself that these children
Ang
are
hilawan
just
niya.
beyond ordinary. They are at a world destruction level.
So,
The
ginawin
Allied
ka na.
Kingdom consists of several nations, and the second child was found in the illegal slave market of the Kalian Kingdom. This child is the second boss of Psychedelia, Deus Mecalium. After being sold as a slave and abused across various
Para
locations, he eventually became
mag-jogging
the
ka.
sin of sloth
No.
and eliminated
Turuan mo
kingdoms
nga
in the
kaon
most
para
terrifying ways. This was the part of the game where most players were
Ber?
terrified by his cruelty.
Wala ulog
In
niya ko.
reality, the sin of sloth is a diligent person who repays exactly what has been done to him. Therefore, our boy specifically told Evan
So, hi gang.
Alon gives the same reason he gave before, that the time simply hasn't come yet, but his hand trembles as he sips his tea. Evan expected this answer, but wonders if
Amo na
the
sa sige nga. So, amo na sa nika to. Ako to sa
Our
dinuri.
protagonist confirms
Ang
this,
bisita ko
noting that he
sinama
also
niya.
added some everyday venting to build
Hindi din
familiarity.
kadalas.
Additionally, he asked her to take care of the child he was sending.
Mas
The
mas
orphanage
mas
does not
magulang
play
ka sa
with the
iya.
other kids much.
10
Later that
years.
night, Utia approaches him, recognizing how broken he looks. Surprisingly, she talks about that thing that left scars on Deus's body,
Namin
the black
madalas.
goat. She unexpectedly congratulates him for being chosen by the family. As a chosen one, she advises him to feel his granted power and draw out what belongs to him. She insists that if he shows loyalty and follows only that person,
Ang saging
he
ba
will
si
surely
Open
get
na?
his revenge. Under the influence of her words, Deus
Storbo na
admits
sa
that that's
pagkaon
quantity
ni
of
Sir.
energy. Holding Alon's letter under the moonlight, Utia decides to send a reply. The next day,
Hindi pa
our boy is
nagwawa
at
ako
a
nga
busy
mag-amay
study
ara sila sa
searching
subangan. Hindi
Suddenly,
sila
Evan
magpatita.
bursts in with terrible news. Elon's second brother has
Ang
just died.
buhinan ko na. Dala di ang may buhin ko.
Died this early.
May
Later,
kuno
our
ko na.
protagonist attends the funeral, where shockingly, his own father is present with women on both sides. It is a total mess, and Alon finds it insane that drugs and women are present at a funeral. More importantly, he finds it weird that Tonio supposedly died from an accidental fall. He wonders if the story setting has changed, because in the game, the first brother killed the second after years of struggling for the inheritance. Now Leo is simply amused by the unexpected bonus. While Alon suspects the work of Leo or his supporters, he puts it aside to focus on the problem of the 5 great sins. Eventually, 1 year passes.
Napalitan ko na tay.
Has been resolved.
Ara,
He's taken
oo.
over the drum.
CEO
Uy, happy
suddenly
lang di
noticed
ano
the
sa
woman in front of him had a
photo.
very graceful silhouette from behind. When she turned around, he was instantly captivated. When he learned she was there looking for a job, he decided to interview her personally. During the interview, the CEO didn't ask about her resume. Instead, he only asked whether she
Yung
was single,
takdo
because he
niya,
believed
dumingi
that
siya
women
pa
with families didn't have enough energy to fully focus on their work. In order to get the job, Lisa hid the fact that she was a
Tamis
single
na.
mother. Looking at her
Luto na
rather
nung kay
ordinary
nagapon,
resume,
din
Jack
testingan
hired
ko
her on the
ma-upload
spot.
pa.
Lisa immediately shared the good news
Yung sabi ko, wala mo kung
just
pakakang
as they were
yun.
celebrating. A phone call suddenly
Baka
interrupted
lang
them.
parang-
Lisa's son had fallen ill again. The doctor told her that treating leukemia would be a long and difficult battle, unless they could find a suitable donor. To take
Ito yung
better
bakit
care
pakangkin,
of her son,
kalaki.
Lisa stayed at the hospital every night.
Buhin mo lang kamay kaon mo.
In the country that claims to
Busog.
be the happiest in all the world, but after traveling
Ano
here,
di kaon mo? Samba ko gamay ng kaon niya tay. Ang dami.
Every video about this place tends to focus on one thing.
This country is the happiest
country.
in the world.
Ano nga, tawag?
Is the prime currency. Small
Music.
kingdom has a unique system that measures development through spiritual and emotional growth instead of material production.
But this country's reputation
Makakapila ka mag-alarm ka, hindi ka pabangon.
the ground.
Hmm?
Yung kay mo alarm kay tamad ka pa magbangon.
Hindi ako maging
kanon na, di ba? Ayun, namin lawas yan, no? Kaya ang iba niya tambok ko, ako ibutang sa inyo.
Okay. Today I'm here to find out
Di kay Nicole na tambok.
crack the code on happiness.
This is very
Sa ako makanto, tambok na ko nga daan. Dapat kay Nicole kag kay Kini tambok niya, kan sa imo. Para
Ate
din yun.
gayon nga ma-rescue sang special weapons and tactics ang isa ka lalaki nga ginapakayag ng hostage ng iya kaugalingon matapos wala makatulog sa maayo kang makakaon sa sulod sa buha ka adlaw.
Inhinago ini kay alias Irvin, 31 anyos, anay delivery rider, taga-residente sa Barangay Suot, Arevalo. Sinugod Police Captain Michael
Ha?
Duran, hepe sa Arevalo PNP. Nga nagsugod ang ina negosasyon kay alias Irvin las 12 Biyernes ang Ukto, Tubtob las 5:45 sang hapon, Hunyo 5. Pahayag nito Buran, nasunod sa pamilya sa biktima, halos duha na ini
The magic to?
nga wala makatulog sa maayo tungkol sa hamak sa cellphone. Dugang pa nito Buran, nasa negosasyon.
Dali di.
Pahayag ni Irvin nga nangayo ini sa iya
Ano pa maamas?
sa abroad sang motor kag computer apang wala
Kanon man? Ano sudan niya?
isa sa mga rason.
Bow, sana ulaga pa baboy na. Kami na. Isda lang kami.
Dito yung dito, cellphone.
Ha?
Dito, cellphone. Dito mo.
Oo eh, bayang balag ko. I-off mo naman. Kadalok sa imo karon na. Lakat-lakat mo, hindi ka makadto. Bantayan mo kayo si Lula mo kay ma. Lakat kami ni Papa mo, mabakal. Kay tinda.
Hindi nga itong patindahan. Napadala ko pa na. Buga na ba kong tinda. Buga.
Ikaw tayo mo bakal to eh. Kaya hindi si Papa mo maglakat. Ano nga? Iyan ang amiga ko, dalon ko nga.
Saan ka na daay?
Kunwari na di si Sia, makaon na sa. Na? Ha? Kaya ano kaunan mo? Okay, ah. Hindi ka nang yapon sa ron? Kaya wala pa sudang kanon, isda yapon. Bless na ilula mo, wala ka nang ka-bless. Ano kaunan mo? Maslom na.
Ito yung saging mo. Para saging mo. Ano?
Ato saging. Ato ko, ato isaw. Ang kasabit.
Dua akong makaon.
Sa isa lang ah. Hinay lang.
Dito ay nakupunti ko na.
Sige. Paguro ka bugtaw si Sia eh.
Ginsang tulog daay.
Manda sa ila. Subalay manda.
Pamasaw isda, nay?
Hindi ako.
Kaya good for your health ang isda. Hindi na pa na. Isa kwa ah. Maubos mo kwa lang da, liwat. Di ko pwede rito. Thank you. Hindi man ni crispy man. Malas lang. Para lang sa'yo.
Kaon ka na, kaon din.
Bigyan na inom ka nga bulang. Ano? Ha? Vitamins? Hi nga! Good morning! Sa Domingo pa birthday ni nanay. Maluto-luto. Tamas king gamay lang. Ay no. Matumba kami ka baka. Tagpatindugon lang tayo.
Ang kala ko nga muna yung pula din.
Ha?
Pula.
Pula te, abi ko dala mo.
Wala.
Oh, tapos lang. Ginatag ko na lang kay Cristel.
Oh. Pahingo ko lang.
Balaya na kidi, hatag mo lang Ken. Bantuay, law.
Oh.
Ah, thank you.
Nalit ang isda na no, magsalit ka pa masawa. Nay? Pagano, may inom ka pa bulo mo?
Naglibot
Saan ka naglibot?
sa likod.
Kalakad ka? Huwag napinga siya tita mo?
Si Kuan din si Villa o sino gani?
Siya.
Si
Ato pa guro. Tado pa to na guro si Siya sa ila eh.
Ito pa?
Hmm.
Inyo?
Hara na yung agot mo.
Naglibot ako.
May baba na! O kana na yun.
Maon ako.
May baba na ka na.
Kaon ano?
Maon ako.
Ako na kami gani.
Eh, ano mo ang liso ah? Wala ba na eh? Ha? Mas doon? Ay. Di na ganun?
Da. Singit naman na. Yun na palang singit lang gagawin.
May nakita ko lang to. Green pa.
Sila kayo bukid ka muro na ako.
Ha?
Singit naman. Singit lang dagdagon.
Kasi kayo, luto na ha? Ang ari-abi nga babanaw na, ano ah, nakatay. Namin nga babana kay tamis-tamis.
Yan na rumana sa gabi yung pangtawagong kamutahan.
Di ano oras mo sa gin, ano? Ano oras sa gin pagwa?
Pagkabatag ko pa, guntak guro nila. Galantaw di sila ng pinandumin, dalan nila guro nila. Yan yung dulong ko to sa ila mga alas 2, hindi man siya.
Papa nunoy na dalay niyo.
Mukati ay nandulong to sila, igamakon pa to sila gampang.
Ang gahampang.
Oo, hindi man siya.
Pwede ang gusto mo makato?
Kahit pangtawagong di ka mo. Kung tulog, pagka ito sila to. Kaya rin, kanto ko di. Kaya man dyan pa sila. Ting, kung kanto ka to, dulong ka to. Hindi man siya.
Dahana na ko sen ko, busong ko lang kapi ko, makato ko to. Ah, duga-duga, ara na sila daw.
Hindi rin tuguro sila, dugay na kuruntak.
Dahil no toyo-toyo sila kadlaw. Wala mang gidamin. Unlike diri ang ining
Na, pero na, ning tamaan na sa, ano, bala mo na eh.
nag-dry.
Papa nunoy.
Ang
Kaya
inita.
namin na yan, kung ano, ning doon tsaktuwa na sa, tama na namin kaluto.
Ang laytana sa nga, mundi nga ini nga babana mo. Ga juicy gid
Kaya
ka
kami
tama.
man ata, tamis man, nga tubigon man. Yan lang tama na kaluto. Ganam, tandog mo palang kayong dahon na, pandrong. Dagdag.
Damo pa to bunga, di ba?
Pagkapitan sa ano?
Baka ka na lang da.
Sa shawarma.
Yes, ha?
Kaya tagto siya, ara daw.
Okay nito.
Ara daw sa bagbag na.
Ano damo ng silver ko na? Iya? Ano pagkakal mo niya?
Ay da, ara sa puti sa isa. Ang iyang ingredient eh.
Ano
Pag
ba? Hindi, ako na gano'n.
pag gusto na sa kikinit ya. Kabalo na saya. Sa bulsa.
Ito, ina, isang tagulo.
Ha?
Pila ni? Sige sana, wala ako.
Ang butay pala, tawon mo eh. Ang 300 ba? 300.
Ano
Sa Prince. Sa Prince sa kami giniling ko sa Prince.
Baka?
Mga boy.
Baka ni?
Ay,
Pag
baka na.
gusto ka, ah.
Ay, na baka nga giniling. Kasi hindi ka makanto sa bungol baka nga giniling.
Kamuti,
Yabe na nai?
Ako mga SM na kayo meron ha.
Baka ka karnito ka di pa para.
Kaya, be.
Para lang sa'yo. Wala gamin? Hmm?
Naubos mo to gawa gabing tinapay?
Daw sa'yo.
Ha?
Daw sa'yo na lang sa babang.
Ano nga tinapay?
Brunch.
Naubos mo ha?
Ito pa.
Ah.
Itang ko sa'yo.
Sino nagkaon?
Badyo ano? Badyo ko.
Sabi ko. Tapos ano kagabi?
Kaya.
Hmm? Temprano pa kuya nagpuli. Hmm. Hindi mapatay ni karo akong live.
Hindi, dala lang dyan sa Goa para magana.
Ha?
Hindi mga lupan.
I-charge ko karo na. Sakat na. Hindi magpadasig ka, padalagan ka, motor ha?
Hindi na ikang dagaan.
Hmm?
Ang dagan ka na sila.
Gani. Mahal na yun.
Mao na.
Kumasa mo. Sinugba nga isda namit ha.
Nasampo ka to ang bilhin. Pagmahal. Sila bubot sa rep.
Ah.
Hindi na init.
Oo eh. Damo ni vitamins na eh.
Nandiyan ka ang pula ka.
May kung may blender kita di hay. May juicer kita di mo. Kung may juice na imo.
Umakaan.
Para lang sa'yo. Karoon naman tamalag.